Kia ora and welcome to task 2, setting up the microphone. You can see I've got an AKG C3000 condenser microphone pointed at my laptop here, ready to use as my sound source. The microphone is on a stand, set up with all the connections tight, and it's plugged into input channel 3 on the stage box. I've also prepared my headphone adapter. I've put it into headphone channel 3 for no particular reason, but I forgot the adapter, so I need to go and get one of those before I set it up. Now that we're ready to go, let's head off to the control room. Alright, let's set up channel 3. First thing I'm going to do is phantom power the microphone. Now it's live, I can head down to the solo, and I need to bring the fader up to 0 or unity because it's an after fader listen. Now I'm ready to adjust my gain. I can be monitoring the level on the meter bridge meter. I want to be averaging at around minus 18 dBFS or peaking around minus 8. I could also monitor it on the solo meter in the master section. That meter comes up when you press the solo button. Now in the task, I need to verify that my pad's off, that my polarity is up, and that the channel is not flipped, so I'm using the mic, not the line input. I should also check the setting on the high pass filter. In real life I would use this, but it's good to check that it's not on initially. Now that we've set it all up, we can go up to Pro Tools, check that we're getting a good level, verify that it's coming out 23 and 24, and that is the end of task 2. Now we can move on to task 3.